Okay, this is section 5.4, and this is the fundamental theorem of calculus section. So to do this type of problem, first of all, I recommend you to watch the video I have posted here by going here, course content, section 5.4, which is week 13. So week 13, section 5.4. There is a instructor video here, the fundamental theorem of calculus. If you click this video, you're going to get this one, and this is the fundamental theorem of calculus part 2. It says if you want to find out the integration, finite integration of f of x, f small f, then first of all find the antiderivative of f, which would be capital F, and find the value of that antiderivative at b, which is upper limit, minus find the the value of this capital function f at a. Find the difference between them. That is your integration, finite integration. So that's the first thing you have to know. And to do this problem, this one, which is very similar to a problem I'm doing here somewhere, let's say by going here, where is that? Yes, this one. This is very similar problem I have done, which is very similar to this problem. I'm going to do this problem here, but I always strongly recommend you to watch the video I post for any sections. Okay, so here, first of all, to find the derivative of y with respect to x, first of all find out what is y. And here, as you can see, y is integration of cosine t dt, and the integration from 0 to sine inverse of x. If you remember the fundamental theorem part 2, the fundamental theorem part 2 says, hey, integration of f, small f, from a to b is capital F, f of b minus f of a, where capital F is antiderivative, derivative of small f. So to use this rule, to use this fundamental theorem here, first of all find out what is the antiderivative of cosine t. So antiderivative of cosine t is sine t, because the derivative of sine t is cosine t. Antiderivative means opposite. Okay, so by doing that we can find out the capital F for this problem. Now we just need to find out the value of capital F at b, which is sine inverse x, and value of capital F at a, which is 0. So by using the fundamental theorem, this problem would be f sine inverse x minus capital F at 0. Since f of t is sine t, just replace this t by sine inverse of x. That will be sine inverse of x minus sine, replace this t by 0. And that will give you sine inverse. If you try to compose it inverse and its function, that will give you x only, and sine 0 is 0, so eventually the y is x. But in this particular problem we need to find out the derivative of y with respect to x. So what is the derivative of y with respect to x? The derivative of y with respect to x would be derivative of x with respect to x, which is 1. Okay, so we're going to plug 1 here. That's how we do this problem.